What's going on YouTube? Go back to the video, man. Get your started, man. You're gonna be putting on, hopefully, some door projector lights from our Chrysler 300S. You feel what I'm saying? From what I seen on YouTube, and I watched somebody else do it, all I need is a flathead screwdriver to pop the lights off, and it's a plug and play. So I'm hoping, I'm only outside for about 5 minutes because I am in Chicago, and in Chicago it's cold as fuck outside. So yeah, I'm gonna get the flathead screwdriver and we'll get straight to it. Come on. All right, y'all, let's try to do this shit really quick. Okay, it's right here. Let's hope this works. Okay. Come on, come out, come out, come out. What the fuck? Y'all see that? Ooh, look at that. Okay. So, damn, is that easy? Take this out somehow. How do you take this out? Ooh, shit, that's hot as fuck. Hopefully I didn't just burn my finger. How the fuck do you take it out? What's this screwdriver? I don't know how the fuck this comes out, y'all. There we go. And it should just be a plug and play here. Shit, wrong way. Okay. Whoa. Let me see one more thing. This shit ain't labeled on here. Nothing. So, trying to see. Oh, fuck. There we go. All right, got the first one in. I'm gonna turn the camera off and go do the second one, cause I'm getting fucking cold. Ah, shit, that shit hurt my neck. Okay, y'all, I got both of them plugged in right now. These are the old ones. So these are the ones the car comes with, basic yellow. I don't know if I'm gonna do the back side yet. I'm gonna see, but yeah, hold on. Ah, fuck. It's cold as shit outside. So I do have it on. I don't know if I can see it. Right here's the new one, and this is what it looks like right now. Y'all get an idea. When it gets dark outside, I'll come back outside so y'all can see it on the floor. But that's what we got so far. Oh fuck, I gotta get on the side. I'm tweaking. Oh. Alright. And this is the car I put it in right here, man. 300S 2018. I'm trying to hold that right there. Ah, fuck. Ooh, it is cold as fuck outside, y'all. If y'all in Chicago, y'all know how fucking cold it is, bro. 300 on the dash. I love that shit. Woo! Fuck! But yeah, like I said, when it gets motherfucking warm outside, I said warm outside. When it gets dark outside, I'm gonna come back outside and I'm gonna show y'all what the lights look like on both sides. And let me know in the comment section down below if I should do the back seat doors as well. Let me know in the comments down below. But until then, I'll see y'all when it get dark outside. I gotta put these paddle shifters on here to finish the whole carbon fiber build of the car right now, other than the steering wheel. But the steering wheel shit ain't coming in until after Christmas, so y'all gonna get that video real soon, man. Oh, y'all gonna get that shit before this one. I'm tweaking, but y'all get the point, man. I see y'all when it get dark outside. Y'all, it's fucking snowing outside, but we finna go see what these motherfucking lights look like on the float real quick so I can wrap this video up. But it is snowing. But let's see what this look like and if I did it right. Oh shit, I did do it right. Okay, kind of like that. Let's see if I did the other one right on the other side of the door. Does that mean I gotta do the damn back seat side too then? Is that what that means? I'm gonna have to do the back seat? Damn, am I gonna have to do the back seat? Cause I ain't got shit on the back seat. It's just regular light like this on the back seat to get the old to the new type shit. Damn. Well, if you're new to the video, man, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if I should do the back seat as well, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.